Hi guys, welcome to another video by AntiquesArena. My name's Walter O'Neill, and in today's video I'm going to, well, it's not going to be one video. Yesterday I went to Sullly carboot sale. What can I say? I bought that much stock, it's going to be split into 3 videos, or maybe even 4. Literally, I spent a few £100 in Sullly, and well, what can I say? Some of the stock is absolutely amazing. Some of it is working stock, and there's 1 or 2 little question marks that I'm going to have to do some research on. So, yeah. So consider this the introduction for all the videos, because I'm going to splice this at the beginning of every video now, guys. So I'm going to split it into the 3 videos or 4 videos, wherever it is, do half a dozen to or so per video, so you get to see the items correctly and tidy. And we're going to go from there. But there's a lot of stock. I literally filled the car up yesterday. Gelligear was cancelled because of bog. It was so much rain over the last few months. They ran it last week and it was great, but we had more rain again this week and it was cancelled. So I went down to Sullly. I done Sullly first, walked around Sullly, bought absolutely tamps. Then thought, oh, I'm going to nip over to Bessemer. Went over to Bessemer and bought loads more. Then I thought, well, I was going to go down to Bridgend. I thought time was ticking on by then. It was nearly 10:30, so I thought I'm going to go back to Sullly, because there was some pieces I saw earlier in the day that I left there that were just a bit dear, or that I was just being fussy because I was buying so much. And I was kicking myself when I was in Bessemer. And it'll teach me for kicking myself. But I went back and I had most of what I wanted. I missed the 1 or 2 pieces I left there. But they were slightly overpriced anyway, so it doesn't really matter to me. But at the same time, I went back to Sullly, walked around again as they were packing up, and I bought far more than I expected. And some really nice pieces that I would have bought if I'd seen them first time round. So all in all, yesterday was a magnificent buying day. Now I'm going to change the structure of the videos this week slightly. What I'm going to do, and I'm going to see how it goes, and I'd like to know your opinions. I'm going to show you half a dozen pieces, tell you what I bought them for, then I'm going to research them on eBay and show you what I found. So you'll get to see the, say, 6 or 7 or 8 pieces wherever I do. Obviously I'll tell you what I've bought them for before I do the research now, because I'm making the film. Then I'm going to sit down and I'm going to find all the comparatives on eBay and on Google and all the rest of it, and then I'll do a little video showing you what each one of those is actually worth, and then we'll close it up from there. So yeah, hope you're ready. Hi guys, welcome to, I think it's part 4 of the Sullly buy-in videos. I think it's part 4, I'm starting to lose count. Where do I start? You've already seen quite a few really nice pieces. I'm going to start with a more traditional antique that used to pull serious money. It has come right down in the later years, but these come in so cheap. These come in with UNE pieces, and I paid £20 for 6 pieces. There is the first, which is a Carlton ware Rouge Royale dish. Beautiful quality, lovely luster, nice finish to the Royale. It has an auction label on the back here still, so they bought them in auction, but it's Carlton ware Rouge Royale, and it's lovely condition. More often than not, when you find these, they are so rubbed and worn, it's shocking. But not. Nice piece, but that's not the only one of it. The one I actually preferred was this, bear with me, Carlton ware Rouge Royale tray. All in the centre there, I don't know if you can see it, is all gilded as well. No, it's not. Around here, can you see it? It's all gilded in, and it has this simulated bit of paint to simulate stones. So you see all in the centre there, you have the band. Turn him round again, Carlton ware Rouge Royale. Do you know, this pair of bowls back 8 years, 10 years, would have been about £100. What they are now, I have no idea. I haven't bought Carlton ware Rouge Royale for a long time. I just haven't seen it. And to be totally honest with you, they're in lovely condition. They are in as good a condition as you hope to find. I think Carlton ware Rouge Royale is somewhere around the 20s or 30s if my memory serves me right. We're going to have to do a bit of research on that, but either way, Carlton Rouge Royale, absolutely storming set. They come in with the Ueni figurines you saw in the last video, along with this bit of art glass. Now, who is it? I'm not 100%. You have to do some research. Do you know, it could be Isle of Wight glass, Heron glass. When I first saw it, I saw that almost iridescence look that you get in Ditchfield glass, but I don't think it is that. I'm going to have to get an eyeglass on and hope I can see the remains of a signature, because otherwise I'm going to be stumped. It's not likely that I'm going to find out who's done that unless somebody knows on the site. I'll have to put it on the AntiquesArena site. I could do with more light in here, I really could. I'm filming down the shop I am, guys, at the moment, and I could really use more light in. So yeah, I actually rate it though, even if I can't identify it. It came in with all the other pieces for 20 quid, and to be totally honest with you, I think that's most of my money back. As small as it is, small isn't always cheap, it's small is beautiful. And I think that is, I'm not going to struggle to get 15 quid anyway, just as an art glass vase. It really is nice, but we'll see. If I can find a signature on it, or remains of a signature, then brilliant. These two pieces I absolutely love. I can only say they are some type of brush pot. That's all I can say. They're a type of brush pot or something like that. They're studio pottery, and they have the studio potter's initials and names now of letter N and P.W. Easy enough to find. I'll just go in my book. There's the studio potter's initials. Now I'm going to say they're a Welsh potter, and you'll understand why now. On this one we have a sheep, and on this one we have a fox. So I'm going to be selling them as a brush pot, because that's what I assume they are. I can't see any other purpose for them. I can't see them being a cup or something. So studio pottery, the price is going to depend literally on who made them, but just as a pair of interesting studio pottery pots with the animals on, 15 quid for the pair. If I find out it's a good studio potter and they are brush pots with the Welsh sheep, 20 quid, 15 quid maybe, but it's all going to be a guesswork until we find out who's done the potting and so forth from there. Next, my own stupidity, guys. I bought a set of 6 cups and saucers in perfect condition. I'm going to show you one. I'm only going to show you one. I'm not going to pull them all out. But safe to say, being a numpty as I am, I only got 5 cups home. I smashed one in transit. I don't know how many times I've said to everybody, make sure you take a box and wrap it in paper, and do I listen to my own advice half the time? No, I don't. Anyway. There's the cup and saucer. I've now got 5. Beautiful, beautiful quality. Lovely pattern. But look at the name. Aspreys of London. Absolutely amazing. Steamer stripe, fine English bone china, Aspreys of London. Try and buy a cup and saucer like that from Asprey. God, you're talking money. What would a set of 6 of those been worth? A lot more than a set of 5. I can assure you that now. So whichever way it goes, I lost money. Lost myself money, let's put it that way. Oh God, guys, I'm not going to be able to do this in 4 or 5 videos again. I've got loads more to show you. A couple of weeks ago you saw I bought a crystal letter rack, and it sold same day, I think it was, for a tenner, 12 quid, whatever it was. Well, I've just bought another for £1, and that's going to go back out for another 10 or 12 quid. This is signed. Can't see a signature, probably Bohemian crystal, but need I say more? Cut crystal letter art can be used. What's in there? Hang on. What have we got here? I don't even know what's in after this, guys. I bought so much. I don't normally buy it, but we have here a bit of beautiful Caithness crystal. I love this electric purple colour. Nicely engraved or etched with this flower. Has this original label, Caithness, Scotland. It was £2, guys. I couldn't leave it there. These decorative pieces of glass in the shop I'm really selling, and if I put £12 on it in the shop, it's gonna go. You know, I'm making a tenner on it, and it's a nice item. It looks beautiful on the shelf. I just couldn't leave it there. It's not, you know, jump up and down antique, but you know what? I just couldn't leave it there. I'm gonna have to end this video again, guys. It's just gonna drag on too long. Tell you what I'll do now. I'll end this. I'm gonna post a video every day this week anyway to try and use up this lot. But I'm not even halfway to getting through it, I don't think. So stay tuned for some bits of research on the pieces. We'll find out what things are worth and what we can do with them in just a minute. So stay tuned. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm going to start off with the Carltonware Rouge Royale. Now, as you know, I have that beautiful tray with the gilding around the inner rim, and I have the bowl with the gilding on the top rim. Now, both are in beautiful condition. The Rouge Royale, the red colour, isn't worn at all. So I've come to eBay and I'm just having a look at Rouge Royale sold prices, obviously highest first. And we come down, but there's a very plain, similar type bowl with just the little gilding on the top in a knot and that. £101 per there. But you come down there and you got some of this almost fairyland luster stuff with the patterns and that on it, and they're pulling less money. There's a simple vase, but a nice shape, £51. We're coming down now more to the price range I expected. Where are we at? Now I know these are quite small, they're nothing much at all, these are not. I've had plenty of them. These little dishes in a little box. So we're getting now around the price I think mine are going to be. Mine are going to be about £25 to £30 comfortably. If I said £30 a piece, I'd be quite happy, to be totally honest with you. Then we move across to the nice cups or brush pots that I thought they were, with the sheep and the fox on. Now, I just done a search on Google very quickly for the PW Studio Potters marks, and instantly I found a cup with a rabbit running around it, which is exactly the same pottery as what I got with the N and the PW. And the artist or potter is Philip Wood. And when we come across to eBay and have a look at some of his pieces, he has a mug with the fox on for £12.50, a little pot or jam or spice jar, sugar jar, which mine might be, to be honest, do little jam or preserved jars without the lids. And that's sold for £18.20. Candlestick, £35. So he is a known potter. £11.50 for one cup, and that's not a small fee, do you know what I mean? You can get cups for Emma Bridgewater, and she can pull serious money for around a tenner. So he's obviously a decent studio potter. So I'm going to put the pair on for about £18 the pair, to be totally honest with you, in the shop or online, whichever I decide. And I'd be quite happy with them. The next one, I'm kicking myself. As you know, I had the set of 6 Asprey steamer stripe pattern cups and saucers and broke one. There's a set of Asprey steamer stripe cups and saucers, £200. Alright, slightly different to what I got, but that is the only comparative set I can go on. There is nothing sold and nothing up for sale other than that one set.
And if I had the set of 6 like I should have had, I'm pretty sure I'd have had 150 quid for mine. For the 6. But I'm now down to 5. So I'm not going to go as greedy as 200, but I'm going to start them at 95. And they're going online, they are. They are spray cups and saucers. So they're going to be £95. But I am seriously kicking myself. Teaches me, wrap the stuff up tidy, and it's a lesson for you guys at my expense. With the Caithness, it is what it is. I'm only showing you some of the prices. They go from as high as 30 quid down to £2 on eBay. But I know I'm going to get 12 quid for that in the shop. It's not going to be nothing spectacular. It's a Caithness vase with a label, and it's going out for 12 quid. But the prices start plummeting. As you can see, $7.99 and so forth. The one I got is a nice vase, so it's going to be, 12 quid. And the final piece, guys, is the Bohemian crystal letter rack. Now, there isn't none on eBay sold, so I went on. The only crystal letter rack I could find is this one. No maker's mark, so similar to mine, Bohemian, slightly different pattern, and they sold it for £12.50. Well, I know my last one I sold for £12. So, and I know this one will go on Saturday for £12. So that's where we're at, guys, for the stock for this video.
Okay, guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed seeing this video and the bits of research. I'm going to run this series every single day. So basically, I got, I think, 6-7 videos, wherever it is. I'm going to run one a day and get Sully's buying out the way. It's just so much stock and so many videos made from one day's buy-in. I'm just not going to keep up. If the buy-in keeps up like this, wow, what a year it's going to be. I don't know where to start. Yeah. Spend a few £100, but you know what, guys? Wow, wow, wow. Over the moon. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. Hopefully you've enjoyed seeing the video. Stay tuned for the rest of the series, guys, on this Sully buy-in, part 1 through all the way up. And hopefully you liked the new style of filming. Showing you a bit of research as well. If you did, let me know, guys. Because if you don't like that side of it, I won't put it in. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed, I would appreciate a like and a share, guys. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Leave me know you've subscribed and I'll give you a thumbs up. You'll find me on Facebook. I have a page and a group, Antiques Arena. You'll find me on eBay, Antiques Arena Clearance. I have my own website, antiquesarena.co.uk and antiquesarena.com. Or you can come to the shop and visit me in the shop. It's Antiques Arena, 78 Oxford Street, Mountain Ash, Charlie Foxtrot 45, 3 Hotel Bravo. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.